Welcome to Floral Street. I'm Roshni.
And I'm Kate, and this is our Covent Garden flagship store.
We are a modern British fragrance brand with a collection of vegan, sustainable and unforgettable fragrances, powered by flowers and inspired by London.
Our fragrances are based off different moods and personas, so if you're feeling fiery, quirky or expressive, we'll have the fragrance for you. Who will you be today? This is our Chypre Sublime. This is for the mesmerising and captivating.
The word Chypre means cypress. It's a structure that has citrus top notes, oak moss and patchouli base notes with an ambery accord. One of the ingredients in the Chypre Sublime is Damascus rose, which is also known as Turkish rose, so you get that sweet Turkish delight kind of aspect to it.
So then we've got patchouli. This is a part of the mint and rosemary family that adds a warm, woody facet to the fragrance.
We also have frankincense, known as Olibanum. It's a spicy, spiritual sort of resin that's been used for over 6,000 years in perfumery.
This fragrance is an ode to our musicians, painters and poets. We have a wardrobe of fragrances to perfectly express any mood.
Who will you be today?